When you drag something onto the timeline, if you open it up here in the source menu and drag it down, the entire video comes onto the timeline. Let's look at it all. Wow, that is really long. And I only want about 5 seconds of this video on top of my footage. So what can I do? Let's undo this and go back. Up here in the source menu, if you press I for in and O for out, you can have just a piece of the video come down. Watch. There we go. And then I can go up here, and if I want another piece, maybe I want an in segment, I can press I for in, and the out will be the end of the segment. Let's drag that down. We can see here at the top right of this piece of media that this is the end of the clip. That's what happens when an out point is not declared. The same happens when you press O for out. The end point is the beginning of the clip. And for an additional tip, if you press Option X, it gets rid of the in and out points. So you can drag the whole piece of footage onto the timeline. And for an additional tip, the icons beneath the source footage, drag video only and drag audio only, operate just like that. I can drag here and only pull in the video, or here and only pull in the audio. When I watch people editing who don't understand these concepts, this one simple task takes many more steps. Let me show you. They will drag it onto the timeline, scrub through to find the place in the footage they want the clip to begin, drag it, and then they'll scrub through again to find where they want the clip to end, drag it from the back, and then they'll select, they'll right click, they'll click unlink, they'll click on the audio, press delete to remove it, and then take it and place it on top of their footage. That's way too many steps, and that's going to slow down your editing.